yeah, they will be just destroyed. Okay, so now let's try using a winder launcher or a what you call this, the ripcord. Yeah, a ripcord. Ready? Ooh, I hope this will be okay, man. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Whoa, they're so light. I can really feel that they're very light, and I don't know if that's a good one. That's so good, man. Yeah. So again, I really not recommend this to be in a battle with the original one. Okay, next, the transfer. Let's see. A ripcord. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oops. Okay. Fake. Yeah, that's what happened when you get fakes. Okay. Oops. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it can't even. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Not good, man. They're very slow. Yeah. Again, for display. But yeah, let's try. Let's see if I will use this. This is from the Leon Claws launcher, okay? And a ripcord. The other one is a string launcher, rather. It's not a ripcord, but a string launcher. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, that is strong. But it's just a plastic. Again, if you have this kind of Beyblade X, this is a fake Beyblade X Bakuto Team Shoot versions, please do not battle them with the metal one. I don't want to battle them because their design is very nice, man. They're very nice design, but you cannot use it to battle with the original, with the metal ones, because yeah, they're just plastic, man. Okay, let's have the trigger. Let's see what will happen. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay. Okay. A little bit decent for that. Yeah. But I don't know. See? That's it. That's their force. Okay, let's try. I think I just 1 to 3 battles only with these two, the Dranzer and your Drigger. Let's see. And maybe I will use my simultaneous launchers right here. All of these launchers are original, okay? Because my fake ones, I do not use them. But yeah, still they're good. And some of my fakes, I give them to my nephews. Okay, to let them play it. Okay, so let's have the Drigger right there, and then the Dranzer. Let's see if we can have a nice battle. Whoo! First time, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Ooh! Plastic, okay? It's still a plastic gen because they're both plastic.